In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order with controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up any controller that you have to play Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order on PC and of course consoles. Now, if you are doing this process on a console, natively your controller is going to get detected. You will be able to browse through the layouts, the controls, and the pines, and you don't have to worry. But if you are doing this on PC, you might need to do some additional setup. So first, if you own the game through Steam, I recommend that you use this method. Keep in mind that even if you are playing the game outside of Steam, you will still be able to add the game as a non-Steam game. So click on Add a Game, add a non-Steam game, and look for Star Wars on your computer. By adding it here, you will be able to set up the controller. Now, you will notice that I am going to be demonstrating this process with Monster Hunter World. I apologize, I don't have this game downloaded at the moment, but the process is exactly the same. All that you have to do once you find the game under your Steam library is to right-click it, go over to Properties, and then you will be able to switch over to the Controller tab. This is where you will be able to set up Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature built straight into the Steam client that allows any controller to be used with any game, and this will give you full customization of the controller. So once you have it here, you just have to make sure that it is enabled, and now you are basically good to go. If you open the game, it should get detected natively, but if it doesn't, click on the controller configurator and double check everything here. As you can see, you can browse through layouts made officially for the game or community created layouts. You will be able to see the current one that you have, and you can even change and make your own. So you can change the buttons, D-pad, triggers, and joysticks, and there are a lot of options to choose from. As you can see, you can bind actions related to gamepad, mouse, keyboard, numpad, action sets, system, and camera, but of course this is entirely optional. It's only if you want full customization. The only reason we are using Steam Input is so it gets detected and set up properly. This should work for any controller that you have, including DualShock or DualSense controllers for PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order with controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!